Just starting our morning walk, heading up the main street just around the corner from our apartment. We're going to head up this way to a memorial square and a big park. This is called the Heroes Square. It's a memorial to the 7 leaders of Budapest, the 7 original tribes that formed the 2 cities. Look down that avenue of trees in the distance there. The other side of, well, there's a bit of a hill. That must be the Buddha side of the city. And our apartment's about 2 kilometres down that way. So we're going to head over this way. There's a park. It looks like an amazing old church or fort. Not sure what. We'll go and check it out. Still not exactly sure what this building is, but it's not a church. It certainly looks like more like a fortification. Beautiful fountains and things around here. Certainly very pretty and ornate. Okay, that's a church on the left. Once we figure out what it is, I'll pop it up on the screen. The magic of YouTube. Hungarian Museum is that building. Oh, Museum of Agriculture. Just been enjoying a very nice walk through a very large park. A lot of green space. Heading for I think it's a revolutionary memorial. I think you won't be able to see it over there in the distance. This is the memorial to the 1956 revolution. It's actually got these metal beams here, and then a really cool garden area up there. It's all built up, and then go down to the wind here again, damn it. Another garden area up there. Go up there and look back maybe. Sarah says we're going up both sides. That's pretty cool. Not a bad view. So it's looking towards the Buddha side of the city. That's a view back towards the first square memorial that we started at. Just making our way back towards the apartment. We've got these really nice tree-lined walkways here. So there's a footpath to the right there, and a single lane road, then this walkway, and then a double lane road in the middle, and then a repeat of the walkway on the other side. Makes for a more pleasant walk. The one on the right here is a cycleway, but obviously you're also allowed cars down there to park at the cycleway.